For this particular one I want to talk about, I had to stand up because most persons make a lot of mistakes on this one. This one I'm about to say, I had to stand up so that it will enter very, very well. Because there are most people, especially you that is watching, sometimes you make this mistake. It's very clear that you might have been watching a lot of YouTube videos where they will tell you to do this, to do that, to do a lot of things. And after trying all these things, it is very hard to get those results that you desire. I feel your pain. I feel your pain so much. Welcome to this video, because in this video I'll be sharing these 4 to 5 steps. In fact, let's make it 5 steps, and believe me when I tell you that the 5th one will blow your mind. The 5th one, you would smile, and I'm telling you, you will be moved to tell me in the comment section that 5th one was amazing to you. So I'll be sharing 5 practical ways to achieve more in a short period of time. Are you ready for this? Let's jump right in. It makes no sense putting a lot of effort, putting a lot of time, because time is currency, right? Time is money. Time is everything that we can think of. So there's no need putting on all those time, all those efforts, and you're not getting the results you require. No, it is right time to go that right route that will get you the results you desire. Number 1 is focusing on one thing at a time. A lot of people make the mistake of putting everything all together. There's this myth, don't chase 2 rats in a room. You will lose both, right? But we are not talking about the rats right here. We are talking about doing one thing at a time. You don't have to do everything at a time. Manage your tasks singularly. After achieving this one, you move into the next one. If you do everything all at once, there's a high chance that you might not really achieve anything on the go. You might not really get any result at all. You can be my witness that it doesn't make any sense. You are putting in a lot of effort, you're putting in a lot of time, you're putting a lot of energy into something, and you're still not achieving. There's nothing tangible. You say, okay, I've achieved something with all this energy that I've put in. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense to anyone. So I'd rather advise that you do one at a time. You pick one at a time. Don't do everything all at once. There's high chance that you will not even get any, right? So one at a time is the goal. One at a time, you get this, you finish it off, then you move into the next one. That's how one at a time you choose all those tasks, and then you make them a successful one. This particular one I want to talk about, I had to stand up because most persons make a lot of mistakes on this one. This one I'm about to say, I had to stand up so that it will enter very, very well. Because there are most people, especially you that is watching, sometimes you make this mistake. You can't have series of tasks that you want to achieve. Possibly that thing came into your mind, you want to achieve this, and there's no to-do list. That is the chunking. There's no to-do list on how to achieve those things. It is not the right move to make. Rather, if there's any little thing, or maybe an idea just came in, I want to do this, or I want to get this running already. What do you have to do? You have to create a to-do list for it. I will do this one today. Next time, maybe in 2 hours time, I know I will do this next one. In the next 3 hours, I'll do this one. That's what to-do list. It helps you to track whatever it is you are doing and to stay organized. Because if you're not organized, you'll be disorganized. Watching this video to this extent means that this video is a very valuable video to you. It's a very good one to you. Now it is your time to do your part. If you are joining for the first time, it is right time to click on that subscription button, right time to click on it. But if you are a member already, remember to share to the forwards of the edge, share for people to benefit from also what you are benefiting from right now. That's clear, right? Let's jump right to the next one. Moving on, here is the next practical way to achieve a lot within a short period of time. Have a very big goal, a very huge goal, but start with the smallest at it. Don't wait to start with that big one, or maybe trying to achieve that big one first. No, you can start with the smallest, and before you know it, you are migrating into that big one. It will save you time, it will save you cost, it will save you anything you can think of. A lot of people make the mistake of, okay, I want to get this 20, and they move into that 20 immediately. No, it's not the way to do. If you have a 20, you can equally start with 2. You can start with 3, you can start with 4, 5 is the maximum. If it's possible for you to start with 7, no problem, but make sure that at least it's something that you can contend at that moment, right? If you want to do 20, start from the little. If you have a big goal, start from the little one. Next one I have on my list is distraction. Distraction can come in many ways. Remember, distraction is not only when you are trying to do something and someone tells you to come and buy chicken. No, distraction can also be your social media handles. Maybe you are trying to check what did this person post today. Instead of you to move into that task to get it done first, you're now trying to check what did this person do and what did they do. So these practical steps that has been shared to you Go and put them to work. Put them to work. Believe me when I tell you that you'll see a difference in all of your tasks. You see a very big difference. Just take these practical steps. You must see a difference. Good luck, champ.